Hi Beauty Insider. I'm Professor Dr. Kiong. I'm the founder of AICA. AICA stands for Association of International Certified Estheticians. So I've been involving in beauty industry for 40 years. One, it's ISO 17024. ISO 17024 mainly to certified professional, and in years after the certifications are accredited, I think in 2014, we set up the AICA association. As I mentioned, we set up for AICA association to governing the practitioner as a members. I think throughout the 40 years, this is the most important part I've done in my life. From conventional beauty, certifications, education, certification, and governing the members to practice in a proper way. The most important, those people, they are having their own ethical and social responsibility, to be a professional in a proper way. You see, so that's why it come out AICA. Yeah, I believe if we are able to quantify it, we are able to justify the objective. The way we do more deeper, the more broader we can go ahead. Of course, at the moment, we reach certain, we reach certain limitation we have to confront and we have to break through. I think that's why AICA very important. It's a non-professional association, it's a non-profit organization, very important to help the industry, to grow the industry and to help the people, to upskill all these beauticians to be aesthetic specialists. That is my vision and mission, but I believe this is my achievement. I think digital marketing is very important nowadays because I think the faster way to connect people to people, yeah. But undoubtedly, I think physical approach also very important. For example, like during pandemic, I see people online, most of the people online in teaching, but the feeling is not there. I still believe humans have to in touch with each other to transmit the good energy in between each other. I still believe both is important, equally important for me. Yeah. We can see from here they have most of the people, they are doing retail business, yeah, or R&D, and a lot of new things from time to time. Years to this, they come out a new product. You see, so for me, this beauty industry is a lifelong learning process. You are not only depend on school you're studying. When you come out, you're working, especially in beauty industry, you have to be persistent in life. If you just depend on way of how to make money, then it will not be work. As I see, that's why lifelong learning is very important because the evolving of the beauty industry is very fast. It's just like handphone. Every 6 months they changing a new model. The same thing in beauty line. I think they improve technically, scientifically they change, but also I think somehow you have to study also in terms of perception, in terms of marketing, your branding. You're seeing people changing the spec of the product or the equipment. It might be changing the know-how. It's just changing the name. That's why I think on the other aspect you have to know really to understand the technique, the knowledge and also the skill. For me, beauty industry is a lifelong learning process, as I think. You have to keep update yourself. You have keep. That's why I think digital very important, but also physical very important.